Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Paralenz Dive Camera Plus. So this is the version 2.0 as you were of the Paralenz Dive Camera. So this was designed by scuba divers for scuba divers. So it's the only dive camera out there that it doesn't require any special housing. It actually has built in it a depth sensor, which actually records that section of the dive, so it knows sort of how deep you are, and it will record that throughout your entire dive if you want it to. But what that's more useful for doing is for automatically adjusting the white balance. So this has the DCC automated depth color correction mode. So both for blue water and green water, it's going to adjust the white balance. So as you go down, your videos and your pictures, they're not all going to be sort of different shades of blue. It's actually going to be more what it actually looks like whilst you're down there. So you don't have to continually readjust the white balance by going into the settings and adjusting it. This does it automatically. So in this new version, the Dive Camera Plus, the body itself is made out of an Aerospace Grade Aluminium. They've changed all of the screws. Instead of being stainless steel, now they're made out of titanium, so they're corrosion resistant. The end cap is made out of aluminium as well. The back window is a scratch resistant glass, so that's much tougher. And they've also increased its depth rating, so now it's waterproof down to 250 meters. So it can go anywhere you want to. So we're just going to go through a few of the features on the box. Herpatic vibration feedback. So that's really great, especially if you have it like masked to your or mounted to your mask, I should say. Instead of beeping or just showing something on that rear view, it actually vibrates when you change the mode and when you go through certain things. So it's much more positive. You know when you're changing things and you know when something has been changed. 4K ultra high definition, so this records in 4K. Electronic image stabilization, so you're not going to get sort of drudgery footage as you're moving around, looking around in the water. Pressure and temperature sensor, and that can actually be shown on your videos as well. So as you're going down in one of the bottom corners of your video, you can have the depth and the temperature. Magnetic switch buttons, no case required. 140-degree fisheye lens, so it's a really wide action. It's more of an action camera, so it's going to record everything. Depth control color correction, designed to be used with gloves. All of the buttons and like the twisty cap I'll show you in a second, they're a little bit oversized and they're like crenellated, so it's very easy to use. Battery life for several dives, 3+ hours battery life. Rechargeable battery built into it, so you can recharge it with a USB cable, an extra strong light sensor. Okay, so in the box, if I open it up, so first of all, your dive camera comes in its own little protective case. I'll show you what's inside that in a second. You get 2 mounts as standard with it. This is your mask mount. So this will thread, or your mask strap will thread through that, and that just sits on the side of your head, and then the dive camera can mount there and just record everything as like a POV shot. I'll show you how this little clip works. It's very clever. It fits on all sort of angles of the camera, so you can get the perfect angle. This is a little bit padded. You've got a bit of neoprene on the inside of that, so it's soft if you're not wearing a hood, and it's shaped to sort of match the curve of your head, so it's nice and comfortable and it won't sort of move around. You also get a GoPro style mount, so you can mount the camera to the modern day, that 3 sort of knuckle design. You also get a whole bunch of stickers from Paralenz and a book of words for the quick start guide, so you know how to use the dive camera. Okay, onto the main dive camera itself. So inside of the case, this is a semi-rigid case, so that's kind of crush resistant. You don't have to worry about this during storage or during transport. You've got the dive camera itself, which is nice and compact. It's a tough little torch made out of that anodized aluminium. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. You get a charging and download USB cable. This does have Wi-Fi built into it, so you can wirelessly download the images and the videos straight to your smart device, like your phone or your tablet, but you can download it to your your desktop computer, with the USB cable, and that's how you charge it as well. A little bit of grease for the O-rings. And then inside here, we've got some spare O-rings. You get 3 of those, just in case you sort of wear them out. You also get a lanyard and a little bit about the dynamic sort of color control, sort of when you should use it and how you should use it. And of course that lanyard, just so you can keep hold of your dive camera, always keep it attached just in case. Okay, so the camera itself, if I show you the mounts first, so this kind of crenellation all the way around the torch is how you mount the different mounts to it. So it's a push and click system. If you pull these 2 little wings back, then they click into position, and you can move them sort of forwards and backwards, and then you can sort of put them on any sort of orientation. So depending on how you want your dive camera mounted, you can sort of adjust it exactly how you need it. Okay, the camera itself. So the lens on the front, of course, wide 140 degree sort of angle. So that's going to be recording a very wide angle of what's in front of you. You've got the trigger. So this is like your shutter and your selector button. You've got this rotating ring. So this is now a screwless design. The previous version used to have little screws, little grub screws in sort of certain sections. Now it's much more seamless, and they've given it a very positive sort of click sensation to it, so it's much more obvious when you're in and when you're changing modes. And then on the back, you have this little window. So this is the newest scratch-resistant window, and there is a tiny little screen in there. I'll show you it switched on in a second, and that's where you put your micro SD card, and that's where the USB-C port goes into that. So this back section, that unscrews. And here we see the 3 O-ring seal. And then if I switch it on, you can see that back screen. So holding it down, you might have heard that. That's the vibration, so it's just vibrating to let me know that it's switched on. And you can see, even though it's a tiny, tiny little screen, it is quite easy to read, especially when you're holding it right in front of you. And as you change through the modes, it tells you and it shows you all the settings and everything that you need to. So there are a few settings on this torch. The first one is video, so it works as a video camera. Slide that around, it turns into a camera, so a still shot camera. What's nice about this mode is that if you just flick the trigger, it'll take a picture, but if you hold it down, it will record video. So that way you don't have to worry about fumbling to get it into video mode and then waiting for it to sort of start up and then record. You can just hold that down and it'll record video. So if you see something exciting, just hold it down and you're ready to go. The start is for a custom mode. So you can set it to a specific mode, whether it's time-lapse or whatever you want. You can go into the settings and you can set this custom mode. That's just sort of for you. Settings, so this is where you can change all the different settings. So first of all is Wi-Fi. If you just flick the switch, it changes through the different settings, and then if you hold it down, it goes into them, and then you can sort of cycle through all the different menu options. So it's very easy to navigate. You've only got that single button and that selector ring, so very quick and easy to navigate around. I'm just going to switch it off, hold it down, and that should switch off. As you can see, we've got a little battery level indicator as well, and like remaining SD card, so how much you can record onto it. It says goodbye. So yeah, a fantastic tough little torch, waterproof down to 250 meters, so you never have to worry about it sort of flooding if you go down deep. Just make sure that you keep those O-rings sort of nice and clean, grease them very, very lightly, make sure there's no dust or anything on them. A fantastic little dive camera. This is the Paralenz Dive Camera Plus. Thanks for watching, safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.